Hello, my name is Rafat and I will be speaking about soil civilization in Central Asia. So my presentation is about soil civilization in Central Asia. Let's move on. So, introduction. Soil civilization is a major environmental threat in Central Asia, and it affects mostly Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and Kazakhstan. And main causes is poor irrigation and evaporation, and um, the risks are mostly decline in crop yields and the food security because of the decline in crop yields. So what is salinization? Uh, Salt accumulates in soil due to irrigation water evaporating, and poor drainage increases water level, which brings salt to surface, and land becomes unproductive over time. Uh, Historical causes. The problem itself began during the Soviet era, Soviet period, when the region was developed for the cotton production. Large canals were built in order to get water from the major water sources, major rivers like Sirdarya and Amudarya. But these canals are lacked of proper drainage, and as a result, groundwater rose and brought salt to the surface, which started soil degradation in the region. Uh, so, severity of issues. Today, salinization affects more than half of Uzbekistan irrigated land, according to FAO. Crop yields have decreased, they are lower, and more fertilizers are needed for the soil. Millions of hectares of land have become degraded. Sustainability perspective. The environmental impacts include soil damage and loss of biodiversity, economically declining crop uh, productivity, increases costs for farmers because the crop yields are lower, and that's why the costs are higher, and the consumer also get uh, products for higher price because of this um, current intervention. The Central Asia Water and Energy Program, shortly CAWEP, this kind of programs, this program is supported by the World Bank and EU, and they help modernize irrigation and improve water management in Central Asian region. These programs are promote regional cooperation. They help countries share information and cooperate in managing water. Uh, these efforts are important. The cooperation is important because water resources in the region are connected. It's not in the water shared between the borders. That's why it's need cooperation. So actions taken. Uzbekistan now adopting drip irrigation, laser lead leveling, and salt-resistant crops, while Turkmenistan, for example, has projects supported by GEFA. Their focus is on better drainage and water reuse. These actions might reduce salinization and restore health of the soil. Remaining issue. progress is slow because new technologies are expensive and many farmers are not trained to use them. So that's why there is a slow implementation of practices, and old irrigation systems are still waste up to 40% water resources. Without better management, and the investment colonization will continue to grow in the region. So the future solutions are modernized irrigation infrastructure, farmer education and training, and cooperation between countries in the Central Asian region, because it's a regional program. And in conclusion, soil salinization shows it's a like salinization is a huge problem in the Central Asian region. It needs a cooperation between countries and use of best practices to solve this problem. There are some progress, but a lot of still needs to be done. So thank you for your time. This is my references. Thank you.